I was able to build a full Android app with APK, and I've been able to install it. So this is the app. Let me tap on it for you to see, and it's working perfectly fine. Okay. And all that I did was that I used Antigravity, and Antigravity created the full Android project. As you can see from here, it has created everything. I didn't even write a single line of code. All that I did was that I gave it a single prompt, just prompt, and that is it. It built the full complete Android app for me, and I have my APK right here that I've been able to install as you saw the app. So I'm going to show you how it all went, how I did it, so that you can do the same thing. So you need Antigravity installed right on your system, okay? And then after that, you have to come and then select Gemini 3 Pro, okay? So that is the one that we are going to use to build the Android app. And then you have to create a folder for your app in Android Studio. You have to create an empty views activity. Okay, so after creating it right inside Android Studio, you can come in and open it, and then you see that you have a full Android project for your app just like this. Okay, so after that, all that you have to do is simply come to Antigravity and then come and open it. Okay, so you go to files, then you open it. I have already done it, so I'm simply going to open my workspace for you to see. So I'm simply going to select the workspace, and then I'm simply going to click on the open. Okay, so as you can see, I have the whole Android project built for me using Google Antigravity. Okay, so this is the chart. Let me show you to you. So I'm going to click on it for you to see the chart history. So all that I did was that I gave Gemini 3 Pro this single prompt, okay, and then it gave me the implementation plan on how it is going to build the Android app for me. And then after that, I just allowed it to build the app. It's built everything with the app icon. So when I click on it, you see that this is an awesome app icon that Gemini 3 Pro just did with just a single prompt. Okay, so after building it, all that I have to do is simply go to Android Studio. So if you don't have Android Studio, you simply have to install it on your system. And then from Android Studio, you have to simply come in and open the build. Okay, you just open it right here for it to sync. Then you come here to the menu, you click on it. You see that we have the build right here. You click on it, and then among the builds, you see that we have the option to create app bundles or APK. So when you come here to app bundles or APK, you're going to see that we have generate APK. Then you click on it, and that is it. Your APK will be created for you. You can simply come and then close the Android Studio, and then come and then click on the exit mode. Okay, so when you come here to your app, that is your project app, then come and then right click and then click on open. You're going to see that we have the app here. So when you open the app by double clicking on it, then come here to the build, and then you come and then open on the build as well. And then you come here to the outputs, and then you double click to open it. You come here to APK, double click and then open it. You come here to the debug, you double click and then open it. You're going to see that you have your APK right here. And all that you have to do is simply right click it and then copy it and send it right onto your Android phone. Okay, so I'm simply going to send it right there, right to my file manager. So from my file manager, let me tap on it, and then you'll see that I have it right here. That is the APK that I have successfully built, and I'm going to click on it, and it is asking me to use the package installer. So I'm simply going to use just once, and I'm going to install it right here for you to see that it works. Okay, so as you can see, what I have to do is simply tap on install, and then it is going to ask me that since it is new, so Google Play is going to ask me to scan it, but I'm simply not going to scan it. So simply going to go here to where you have the more details, and I'm going to tap on install without scanning. Okay, and that is it. It has successfully installed my app on my Android phone. I'm going to tap on open, and my Android phone has successfully launched, and it's working perfectly fine without writing a single line of code. So this is what it does. All I have to do is simply select a date of birth. Okay, my app, when you select a date of birth, that is the month, the day, and then the year. And then you simply come here to where we have, after selecting the date of birth, you simply come down here to where we have the generate, and then come and then tap on the generate. It is going to tell you the day that you were born. So as you can see, you were born on Saturday, and then how old you are. And it's going to give you a short motivational quote for the day. Okay, so I'm having a full step-by-step guide on how to do this on my channel. You just have to go and then watch this video and know exactly how to build your own Android app without coding. Like the video and then see you in my next video.